Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I know there's a lot of talk and emotion right now as we move toward the next exciting phase, Victory with Ash. Change can sometimes feel uncertain, but this moment is about progress, not panic. Let's take a deep breath together and focus on what truly matters. Moving forward with unity, clarity, and confidence. Now, let's talk about what each of us needs to do. It's very simple. Step 1. Log into your OES account. Step 2. Click the link on ONews 16 and fill out the application form. That's your bridge to Victory with Ash. No complicated process, no reason for fear. Just follow these steps and stay calm. For those who have multiple accounts, please remember, you only need to apply using one of your accounts. There's no need to duplicate or overthink it. This process is designed to be fair and straightforward. Now, for parents or guardians managing accounts for their children, here's my simple suggestion. Apply for yourself first. Once you're approved and inside Victory with Ash, you'll receive the right guidance or clarity about inviting your children or managing their accounts. Let's do things step by step. Patience will always pay off. And please, if you see someone who's confused, struggling, or unsure about how to fill the application, take a moment to help them. We are one community. Let's lift each other up instead of spreading fear or frustration. This transition isn't something to worry about. It's something to celebrate. Ash is creating a new beginning, a stronger and more focused community built on integrity, teamwork, and vision. So stay calm, stay positive, and keep your eyes on the future. Log in, fill your form, and be ready. Because together, we're stepping into something truly remarkable. Remember, Victory with Ash is not just a platform. It's a movement of growth and unity, where our shared dreams will become a reality. Let's walk this journey. The best is yet to come. Let's move forward together with confidence, with clarity, and with victory.